interesting. There's a stairwell going up here too. Obviously, this is a pretty old store. See that lantern already doesn't work. See, this seems to have gotten a full mod by Otis. Yeah, this song sucks. Close the door so we don't have to hear it. It'd be insulting if they claim copyright on that piece of crap song. I will say, this thing runs pretty nicely. I wonder if that pump was here before. See, unfortunately, I don't think anybody filmed here before they modded it. Go birds. All right, that's it.